another L100 restoration. This one, as you can see, is the inline first version of the L100. And in this case, the grill frames were all messed up. A lot of the edges, his walnut edges, were broken, and I've got remnants all over the place. But anyway, so I was able to salvage at least one good one. Here's one piece on the side that was coming off, so I took it off and put it back on. And then I have this other piece that is kind of broken. It was another long piece, but it's broken at both edges, both ends. And so I'm going to use that. I'm going to cut that down and put that as one of the bottoms or the tops, probably the top on this one because it's nice walnut. So I'll cut that down and put that at the top on this one. And then, so I didn't have any walnut, but I found some wood that, you know, just leftover wood, pine, that I went ahead and used kind of some Howard's furniture restorer, like a mahogany, and some gel stain walnut, and it's pretty close. It's not exact, but I'll go ahead and I'll put a little reddish tint on the original, and that should make the two look almost exact. But anyway, so I cut these two pieces. I still have to do the shorter pieces that go at the top and the bottom, and but I'm going to go ahead and do that and start gluing this up. Also, in order to get these off, I just went ahead and I took a chisel and put it in between the wood and the particle board baffle, and went ahead and just started chiseling that really slowly, and it basically took them off without. There were a couple areas where it was pulling off some particle board, but I mean, all in all, I got a couple of pieces I need to, that actually comes off pretty easy, but I have to go ahead and prep these. I'll probably just take my chisel and run that along here and, you know, take off any excess particle board, and then we'll be ready for gluing. So now I've got a couple of pieces put back on. This piece at the top was an original walnut piece. And this one on the side is one of them that I made up. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's hard to see if there's the difference in color with those when they come on, when they're put on. But went ahead and followed the edge here, the black edge, to follow that recess here all the way down, and used cyanoacrylate super glue to do that. And now I've got the other side I need to do. I'll do the same thing. So there, I've got my edge. This is original. And I'm going to put this piece on here. And hopefully that'll work out good and it'll look like the original. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.